Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best cheap wireless doorbell you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best wireless doorbell, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Emastiff Wireless Doorbell. Brand name, Emastiff. Intelligent wireless doorbell, waterproof. 38 ringtones to choose from and 3-step volume control. Eye-catching backlight flashes when someone pushes the doorbell. Particularly suitable for the elderly, deaf, and pregnant women. Uses machine learning to prevent interference from other wireless transmitters. Designed to last up to 25 years. Receiving distance, 300 meters, in open area. Fuers Wireless Doorbell. Brand name, Fuers. Welcome Bell Intelligent Home Doorbell. Smart wireless doorbell. When you press the button, doorbell will receive the signal and you will hear the sweet tunes immediately. This smart wireless doorbell adopts advanced wireless transceiver technology. High-quality voice processing technology. Up to 32 music, and its performance is stable and reliable. Doorbell, anti-theft, welcome multi-purpose. Suitable for home, villa, shop, hotel, and office, etc. Eye-catching backlight flashes when someone pushes the doorbell. Particularly suitable for the elderly, pregnant women, and the deaf. Earykong Intelligent Wireless Doorbell. Brand name, Earykong. Intelligent waterproof wireless doorbell. 36 to 38 ringtones to choose from and 3-step volume control. Eye-catching backlight flashes when someone pushes the doorbell. Particularly suitable for the elderly, deaf, and pregnant women. Uses machine learning to prevent interference from other wireless transmitters. Designed to last up to 25 years. Working frequency, 433 MHz. Receiving distance, 300 meters, in open area. The transmitter 12V23A battery, factory pre-installed, battery not included. Zclever dust-proof wireless doorbell. Brand name, Zclever. White and blue with a simple and stylish design. Equipped with memory function, it will remember the music you've set before. No need to set music again when booting. You can choose according to your own preferences in different occasions. Customize and change the chime. Powerful transmitter provides amazing 150 meters range for remote control. 3-level adjustable volume control for each receiver. Kerui Smart Wireless Doorbell. Brand name, Kerui. Ultra-long operating range up to 500 feet or 150 meters in open area, ensures you to hear and answer the doorbell in time. You will never miss a visitor even if you are a few rooms away or on another floor. Kerui M525 Home Security Welcome Wireless Doorbell. 32 ringtones and 5 adjustable volumes. The wireless doorbell offers a wide selection of 32 melodies and 5 volume levels to meet your needs for different occasions. Flashing light with audio alert indicators, which is easy for people including the hearing impaired to notice. Waterproof touch doorbell button. F15 and F52 doorbell button waterproof level is up to IP66. You can put it on the outdoor wall. And low power consumption. It can use about 1 year if press average 10 times a day. Easy to install. Just plug the receiver into power socket and attach the transmitter on door. You don't even necessarily have to make holes or damage anything. Support expandable, already paired before factory, and different transmitters can be set to different tunes. Expandable up to 20 accessories.